This is the Sonus Faber Lumina II, and on paper it promises that signature high-end Italian sound at a price that doesn't completely wreck your bank account. But here's the thing. After living with these for a while, I realized something surprising. They don't just look premium, they behave like speakers that cost way more. The real question is, are they actually worth your hard-earned cash? Sonus Faber Lumina II product overview. So what exactly are we looking at? The Lumina II is a compact bookshelf speaker from Sonus Faber, a brand known for crafting some of the most beautiful and expensive speakers in the world. Released as part of their more accessible Lumina lineup, this model is designed for people who want that high-end audio experience without diving into four-figure territory. These are passive speakers, so you'll need a decent amplifier, and they're aimed at audiophiles, home office setups, or anyone upgrading from entry-level gear. The big selling point? Premium materials, refined sound tuning, and a focus on musicality over raw power. Sonus Faber Lumina II Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how do these actually sound? I tested the Lumina II in a small to medium room setup, running everything from Spotify playlists to high-res FLAC files, and honestly, they punch above their weight. The first thing you notice is the clarity. Vocals are crisp and forward, which makes podcasts, acoustic tracks, and vocals-heavy music sound incredibly intimate, like the artist is right there in the room. Bass? It's tighter than you'd expect from speakers this size. It's not going to shake your walls, but it's controlled and musical. According to insights from What Hi-Fi, the Lumina II delivers a balanced and expressive sound signature, and that totally lines up with real-world use. But here's the real magic, the soundstage. These speakers create a surprisingly wide and immersive listening experience. Watching movies or listening to live recordings feels more 3D than you'd expect at this price. Features and tech. Let's talk about a few key features, and more importantly, why they matter. First up is the Silk Dome tweeter. This is Sonus Faber's signature high-frequency driver, and what it does is deliver smooth, detailed highs without harshness. So instead of sharp or fatiguing treble, you get something you can listen to for hours. Next, the mid-woofer driver. It's designed for both bass and mid-range, which means vocals and instruments come through cleanly while still giving you enough low-end warmth in your life. In real life, this translates to music that feels natural, not overly processed. Then there's the front-facing bass port. This is huge if you're placing these near a wall or on a desk. It helps maintain bass performance without needing tons of space behind the speakers. And finally, the crossover tuning. It's engineered to blend frequencies seamlessly, so nothing sounds disconnected. Design and build, aesthetically, Sonus Faber absolutely nailed it. The front panel is wrapped in real leather. Yes, actual leather, which gives it a unique, premium feel you just don't see at this price. The sides come in wood veneer finishes, and the overall build quality feels solid and luxurious. These aren't just speakers, they're decor pieces. They look equally at home in a modern office or a cozy living room. That said, they're a bit heavier than typical bookshelf speakers, so you'll want a sturdy stand or shelf. But honestly, that weight adds to the sense of quality. Pros: excellent clarity and natural sound signature. Premium design with real leather and wood. Front port makes placement super flexible. Cons: bass might feel light for some users. Slightly pricey compared to entry-level options. Final verdict. Look, if you're someone who values sound quality, design, and long listening sessions without fatigue, the Lumina II is a fantastic choice. It's especially great for smaller rooms, desktops, or apartment setups where you want premium audio without going overboard. But if you're chasing deep, room-shaking bass or planning a large home theater setup, you might want to pair these with a subwoofer or look at bigger alternatives. Here's the bottom line. The Sonus Faber Lumina II isn't about brute force. It's about refinement, balance, and enjoying music the way it was meant to be heard. And in that sense, it absolutely delivers.